Hey, I'm Rob Floyd, celebrity mixologist from TV shows like The Kelly Clarkson Show, Access Hollywood, and Bar Rescue. But listen, I am working today with LifeBoost Coffee, which is an amazing low-acid coffee that also is organic and makes incredible cocktails. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in 6 ounces here. Next up, we're gonna go 1.5 ounces of our coffee liqueur. And the maple syrup, you're gonna look for about a tablespoon, if you will. And we're pouring that in. We're gonna go ahead and stir. Now the cocktail is actually ready and you can just really enjoy it right now. I love to have a little bit of excitement behind it. So we're gonna use whip shots here. It's an alcoholic whipped cream, if you will. But once your cocktail's ready, last but not least, a little bit of chocolate sprinkles over the top, just to be a little decadent. Cheers and enjoy using my dear friends at LifeBoost. I look a little ridiculous, but this is really good. Cheers.